And I'm Cheeku.
Welcome to our magical world. Today, we are going to learn how to count. Yay! Counting is my favorite. Aaaaa-CHOO! Get ready, kids. Let's start with 1.
Wow. Look, friends, this is number 1. Woo! Number 1. Catch this one ball, Bumble.
I got it! Woo! Ooh, I caught 1 ball!
1 ball. Ta-da! What comes next? Look, it's number 2. Gasps happily, 2. I love 2. C-H-O-O.
Got one. And ouch! Silly Cheeku, I have 2 blocks.
2. Blocks.
Okay, friends, get ready for a big one. Look, inside my pouch, it's a perfect number 3.
Three ducks.
Let's see what's next. Tap, tap. Wow, it's number 4.
Yay, 4K! Get ready, Bumble. Choo! Choo! Got it! O-O-U-Chi! 4 bouncy balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Red, blue, green, yellow. 4 balls.
Tap, tap. What's inside today? Wow, it's number 5. Vroom, vroom.
Choo!
Got it. Whoa. Ah, 5 toy cars.
Tap, tap.
Magic time. Whoa, it's number 6.
Float away with 6. Got 1, got 2. Wait, I'm flying. 6 balloons. Tap, tap. Wow, look at this one. It's number 7. Incoming. 7 flying discs.
Choo! Catch. Wait, where did the last one go?
Ow! S-even and 7 Frisbees.
7 hats floating high. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple, brown, white. What a scene!
Tap, tap, I'm feeling hungry. Oh, look. Number 8.
Catch, got him. And
Delicious. 8 cupcakes.
8 cupcakes bouncing in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap, tap. Let's see. Wow, it's number 9. Round and round. 9 spinning tops. Choo!
Got them. Wait, where is the... Whoa! I'm getting dizzy. And I need spinning tops.
9 spinning tops.
Tap, tap. Wow, we made it. It's a big one. Number 10. Yay! 10 sparkly stars. Choo!
1. Wait, no, stop! That tickles! 10 stars!
Thanks for watching The World of Azan Baba. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.